Hello, people. You are once again welcome to my channel. I will beg you to subscribe to this channel and share with others too as we begin this design process. Today, we are going to design a food menu flyer. And somebody asked me to design a food menu flyer for her. So, this is what we are going to design. So follow along and let's all design this, um, make this design all together. Okay, so as I said in my previous video, before you begin to design a flyer or before you want to work on any project, first ask yourself, the size you're going to work on. So this is just an ordinary flyer. So we made a size. Let me check. This is in centimeters, but I prefer to use the inches. So it is 6 by 7 inches. 6 in the width and the height is 7 inches. So that's the size you are going to work on. Okay. So as I said, it is a food menu, food menu flyer. It's actually for one of my sisters. So they gave this project to her in school, and I don't know why they gave that project to her, because that child has no idea how to design this, and he doesn't have this creative Photoshop and those stuff. So, and he's so young. I don't know why the school gave, but whatever it is, we are going to design this. So let's all dive into what we want to do and achieve. So this is going to be a simple flyer. As I always say, I prefer making a simple flyer than these complex, complicated designs. So let's go. So before we go, we have to check the background. I normally prefer using, I have an already designed or already made background that I'm going to use. So I'll bring the design. This is so simple. This is so simple. So this will be the background that you're going to work on. Okay. So this is actually our background for today. As I said, I already have this background already made. So this is the background that you're going to work on. All right. Okay. So we have gotten our background. It's left with what? Inserting some images, that is some food, and the name of this restaurant or whatever it is. Okay. So I'm going to divide the work as I normally do. I'm going to divide this work into two. Okay. Oh, why did as I said, I'm going to divide this work into two. Two columns rather, two columns with no gutter, around with no gutter. Okay, two with no gutter. So here on the left side is where I'm going to put or insert these images, the food. And the right side, I'm going to list the menu here, right? So let me choose a rectangular two, and then okay, this is going to be no stroke. Okay, no stroke. And then let me make the this to, I think this is okay. It's okay. Okay. And the shape, you can see it because I have placed the rectangular shape under the background, right? That's why you can see it here. So let's drag it on top. You see, this is a shape that we drew. All right. Okay. So let's check the name. You can give any name. Okay, the name of the restaurant is actually that's the name of my sister. So, and I'm using it. The name that's the name of my sister. So I need to change this. Yeah. Okay. I wanted to change the I'll actually change the font size. I don't want this. Okay. And I change the color. Yes. Give it a stroke of white. I'll change the font style too. Hmm. I'll give it a stroke outside. Choose a white color. I think I will give it a drop shadow. I think the size and distance is too. Oh, whatever I say, let me change the font style before. Okay, I do all this. As I say, I normally like. I don't know why I prefer this low star, low star. Okay, so this is what you're going to use. All right, let me enlarge this. Okay, all right, all right. I think this is okay. Oh, yay. Okay. Well, I think it's okay. It's okay. I have to leave it like that. Mhm. But you can choose to do anything to it if you want to. But to me, I think I have to leave it as it is. I have to leave it as it is. Okay. The stroke was how many? One. Oh, one is okay. You can prefer to use any color. Okay. So one thing that you have to understand here is that in with their um as I said, it is an assignment that they have been given, and they said they should write everywhere in French. Me too, I don't understand French, so how am I going to do it? That is something difficult at this time. So that's why they said, and he said, they said we should write, we should design the food menu in French. That means every word on it should be in French. But listen, yeah. So we have to do some translation and do stuff, right, before we arrive to at this project, right? So if you see me writing French, I don't know if it is correct or what, but if you see me writing French, don't don't try to. Uh, no, I understand French somehow. Don't underrate me. Right? Okay. Hmm. So this font I'm going to use, there's a signature. I have the signature. Okay, that is going to use this one. Make it white. Reduce it small. Leave it here. Okay, that's nice. I don't want it to be bold. Let me forget about the bold. Yeah, I think this is kitchen, right? So those that understand French, this is kitchen. Okay, so let me write another French word here. Hey, you see, I can't even pronounce it. Chez moi, l'on dit chez... Chez moi, l'on dit chez soi. Do you understand it? Oh, you don't understand French. Oh, you should, you should. Chez moi, l'on dit... Forget. This is the French. Chez moi, okay. All right. So this is what you've gotten now. So as I said, so we are going to insert the food in these shapes. Right. Okay. So I have downloaded some images that I want to use. Let me clear this guide. So we are going to insert here, insert an image here. So I've downloaded it. So I'm going to insert them in. Can I stroke it? I want to be inside. Yes. Yes. Okay. This is nice. This is nice. Okay. So this is nice. Yeah. And if I want, I can even give it a drop shadow here. Right. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. We are not done. We are not done. This is so nice, but we are not done. Okay. So we will take our rectangle to draw a rectangular shape here. This is going to be, we're going to choose the white color here. Here we're going to place, or we're going to write out some events that somebody can contact us, right, for us to prepare this meal or prepare this food for, right. That's how, in case you have marriage ceremony, birthday celebration, anniversary, funeral, and those stuff, you can contact us. And then we'll put our contact number below. And then this side, on the right side here, we are going to write the food menu, the menu here, and then we are done. So this is so simple, right? This is so simple, and I think you can do it as well. This is so simple. This is so simple. Okay. So okay, let's begin by bringing the menu. Okay. So the menu, we have, as I said, we are writing everything in French. Okay. So riz. I need to place another meal or another food here too. Right. I'm going to place food here. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, you can choose to remove this, bring back this small to reach somewhere here. Okay, so it's left with well, how somebody can contact us. Mm, okay, so I can duplicate this one. Yes, I can duplicate this. I don't want any stroke, but I want it to be black. Yes. Okay, so this is what we have achieved with a food menu that my sister brought, that they want them to design a food menu, and this is what I did for her. How do you rate this? How do you see it? Give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you another time. Until then, keep safe, keep it live. Bye bye.